So next to remember always, wherever double bond comes, you should get the lowest count. That is the major thing. Maximum possibility. That's what you have to remember it. Okay. Next, isomerism in alkynes. What is the general formula of alkynes? Mr. Aswin Gokul. Isomerism in alkynes. Make it fast. I am waiting for answer. Mr. Johan will say, Johan, class is by 5:40 ille, 5 o'clock class. Okay, Johan. Isomerism in alkynes. General formula, please. Alkynes general formula. Everybody. Cn H2n minus 2. Cn H2n minus 2. So here also n is equals to 1 existed or not existed? Everybody.
Not
Is equals to 1, not existed, not possible at all. At least how many carbons? Everybody. At least n is equals to 2 carbons. So what is the structure? C triple bond. At least how many triple bonds? Everybody. At least 1 triple bond. Am I right, Amma? All of you? Yes, please. 1 triple bond must be present. So 1 hydrogen, basically we'll say that is the first one. So let us start with that. So n is equals to 2, n is equals to 3, n is equals to 4. So 4 means again 2 isomers. Here only 1. Okay. So at least 4 alone you can learn. Just for our purpose, letter is not required. Again same. Instead of double bond, you put triple bond. Over. So 3 carbons and 4th carbon, you put a triple bond. So now make it fast. Balance the hydrogens. First carbon, number of hydrogens. Make it fast. Open your mouth. Number of hydrogens, 3. Second carbon, 2 bonds are over, 2 hydrogens. Third carbon, what in any hydrogen will come?
No hydrogen.
No hydrogen. Why?
Because triple bond.
Yes, triple bond plus 1, 4 bonds are over. Last carbon, how many hydrogens? 1.
One.
Yeah. So triple bond is present for first, lowest number should come. So over. So what is that, everybody? But 1 wine. Understanding? Because it is alkyne. So but 1 wine. That's all it is. Make it quick. Clear? Everybody? Next, put that triple bonds for second carbon. C single bond. Next, yeah, here you can put it. Triple bond C single bond C. So balance the number of hydrogen. First carbon. First carbon number of hydrogens. 3 hydrogen. Second carbon number of hydrogens.
No
Balanced
hydrogen.
or not? Already balanced. No hydrogen. Third carbon also number of hydrogens. Already balanced.
One
Last
hydrogen.
carbon. Last carbon number of hydrogens. Everybody. 3. Understanding? So what is the name of this one? But 2 wine. But 2 wine. That's all it is. What is the formula? At least can you tell me? N is equals to 4 means. What is the formula? C4?
C4H6.
H6. Okay, you count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hydrogens. That's all it is. Anyone having any doubt in this, you can ask me, or else we'll proceed. So this is what is the isomers in alkenes and alkynes also. At least one example you must have a glance. If you have learned this, then none can stop us. So this is all about it. Anybody having any problem, you can ask me. Otherwise, we'll proceed with the next most important concept. That is what? Homologous series. Make it fast, everybody. If you are okay, I'll proceed. Is it completed, everybody? Yes, please. All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Everybody completed, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Slide F1.
Do it now. So next, the concept. Here also remember, what is isomers, everybody? They have different physical properties and some common properties. That is what we used to call it as a isomers. Please remember, isomers, different physical structure. different physical properties and some common chemical properties. Some common chemical properties. That is what we used to say isomers. Any doubt, anybody? You can ask me. I hope you all understand. Anything doubt, guys? Everybody? Yes, please. Hari, completed? Okay, next. Homologous series. Most important concept and easiest concept. Let us finish in our today's class. So this one, homologous series. Homologous series. Many years they will ask you this question for 2 marks. So this question is such a easiest one. So wherever it is, it's the simplest one actually. So let us study what is homologous series and how it will be. We can write the homologous series. Okay. So we are having 3 types of hydrocarbons. Can you tell me first what is the 3 types of hydrocarbons? Make it fast, everybody. Alkanes.
Alkane,
Yes, please. Alkanes. Next one.
alkene,
Alkynes.
Next one. Alkynes.
alkane,
What is the general formula of alkanes, everybody? CnH2n plus 2, CnH2n minus 2, sorry, minus 2 illa, CnH2n. Am I right? Everybody? Next one. CnH2n minus,
minus 2,
okay. Next here. N is equals to 1 is present. Here starts from where? N is equals to 2.
2,
So starts from where? N is equals to 2 only. What is the first smallest saturated hydrocarbon? Everybody? Smallest saturated hydrocarbon. CH4.
methane,
Methane.
CH4,
Okay.
methane. Next one. Tell me the next one. C2H6, C3H8, C4H10. Next C5H12, C6H14, C7H16,
16,
8H, everybody, H18, C9H what, everybody?
20,
H20, C10, H22. So this is what we used to say. Names, tell me, everybody. What is the name of this first compound? Make it fast.
methane,
Methane. Next one.
ethane,
Next one. Next,
propane,
everybody. Methane, ethane, propane, butane, butane, pentane, hexane,
pentane,
heptane, octane, no, actually neonan, we can say neonan, NONANE, note it. And last one is decan.
Decane.
Okay, so DECANE, decan. Okay, if you notice it all, for this all the things, what is the general formula? Alkanes, everybody. What is the general formula? CnH2n, CnH2n plus 2. So that is only call it as a homologous series. So write the definition, everybody. Homologous series means. Okay, at least here also alkenes, tell me what is the first? N is equals to 1, not possible. So first C2H,
C2H4.
H4, very good.
4,
Next C3H, 6.
6,
Next C4H, 8.
8,
5H, 10.
10,
C6H, 12.
12,
Up to that. Next here, tell me C2H, 2. C3H, 4. C4H, 6.
6,
C5H, 8. C6H, 10.
10,
Clear? So all here also general formula. What is the general formula, everybody? General formula CnH2n minus 2. So everywhere, if you notice it, all these compounds same general formula. All these compounds same general formula. All these compounds same general formula. So this is only call it as a homologous series. Homologous series. Now I'll ask you one question. You tell me. Suppose if methane is having some chemical properties, then does it ethane also having the same chemical properties or different chemical properties? That is what is my question. Everybody? Yes, please. If
Methane.
suppose methane will react with some element, then ethane also will react or not? That is what I am asking. Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And if ethane will react, propane won't react. If propane react, butane won't react. Everybody. Yes, please, guys. All of you.
Yes.
Or no? Yes. That is what is called as a homologous series. Homologous series means, remember, all of you, all the organic compounds are arranged in order of increasing molecular mass. What is that, everybody? Arranged in order of what? Increasing molecular mass. Class 9th, you studied molecular mass. Anybody remember? Third chapter, atoms and molecules, you studied atomic mass and molecular mass. Ellame theriyuma? Anybody? Not, don't know also. Now you should learn again. So they all arranged in increasing order of what? Everybody? Increasing molecular mass. Clear, everyone? Next, notice it. Write the definition. A homologous series is a group of organic compounds. A homologous series is a homologous series is a group of organic compounds having similar structures and similar chemical properties. Similar chemical properties in which the successive compounds differ by CH2 group. This is very important. So, sir, what does it mean? So, verify all of you. From methane to ethane, how many carbons is the different and how many hydrogens is different? Everybody?
1 carbon, 2.
1 carbon, 2 hydrogen. Ethane to propane, how many carbons? Verify. Again,
1 carbon.
1 carbon, 2 hydrogen. Okay, like everything. Here also, C2 to C3, how many carbons? Everybody? 1 carbon. How many hydrogens? Make it quick, everybody. 2 hydrogens. From here to here also, 2 CH2. Am I right, everybody? Please respond. Everywhere you can check it. CH2. Everywhere CH2. That is what? It is differs by successive hydrocarbon. Differs by how much, everybody? Differs by CH2 group. That is called it as a homologous series. It is differs by CH2 group. That is what we used to call it as. What is to say, everybody? Homologous series. Now, homologous series means how much? 1 carbon and next how many hydrogens are? 2 hydrogens are extra for one compound to the another compound. So now, by molecular mass, how much it is varies? Let us see. I don't know how many of you know molecular mass. Either somebody will learn or not, I don't know, but I am teaching you again. Let us start with alkanes. Only 2 you learn. Atomic mass of carbon is, all of you listen, 12. And atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. How much, guys? Atomic mass of carbon, how much, Ra? 12. And atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So now, alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, whatever it is, they will be differs by how much? How many groups? Alkynes, alkenes, and alkanes. Open your mouth only, correct? It will come. It will be differs by what? One successive to another successive. It is differs by CH2. Now, first methane. Methane molecular mass pakranga. So 1 carbon. So 1 into 12 plus, many of you are my old students. You people know also. Number of atoms of first element 1 and atomic mass of first element 12 plus carbon. Sorry, hydrogens. Number of atoms of hydrogen 4. What is atomic mass of hydrogen? Make it quick.
1.
So 12 plus 14. How much, Ravijay? 12 plus 14, everybody. 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 2. How much it is, everybody?
26.
26. Okay. 26U. That is the
Sir.
molecular. Yes, sorry.
Sir, 12 plus 4.
12 plus 4.
4. Yeah, sorry, Amma. 12 plus 4. I thought 14 it is. Yeah. 12 plus 4. How much it is? 16U. Clear? Yes. Next. Second compound. C2H6. Which is equals to what? 2 carbons and atomic mass is 12 plus 6 hydrogens plus atomic mass is how much? Into 1. So 12 twos are 24 plus 6, which is equals to how much, Ra?
30.
30. So what is the difference? 60 and 16 and 30. What is the difference? Anybody?
14.
14. So differs by how many units? Atomic mass.
14.
Everybody, 14 units. And what is the group? How much group? CH2 group. Okay. So what is CH2 mean? Check it. 1 into 12 plus 2 into 1, which is equals to 12 plus 2, which is equals to 14U. So one successive hydrocarbon to next successive carbon, how much molecular mass is differs? Anybody? How much molecular mass is differs? 14U. Sir, why, sir, you are stressing this point? This is the heart of this concept. From this only question asked from 3 years before, I told you now. 1.5 hours it has been taken to answer the question because I forgot to read that concept in the NCERT. I read it, but I missed it. What is that concept? I already told many people. What is the concept? Anybody? Anyone remember? Ray? I told you that question regarding melting points and boiling points. They are having a similar chemical properties, but what about the physical properties? That is the most important point. I'm not ending the homologous series. Still, we'll study about the homologous series more. But you remember what is homologous series, everybody? It will varies by how much? One hydrocarbon to next hydrocarbon, it will be varies by how much, guys?
14
Varies
units.
by 14 units of atomic mass. Understanding? And how much is the group? One carbon and two hydrogens. One carbon and two hydrogens. That is what. So that is only you should remember. Here also you can see. So these differ by what they differs, everybody. That this differs by a CH2 unit. So what is the molecular mass? CH2 unit means how many units? 14 units. Understand, everybody? U, atomic mass unit. That is, I think, class 9th you will remember. AMU will represent with the U. Am I right, guys? Mass of an atom. Remember, da? Everybody? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Next. You can see here, and there is a concept which I want to speak about. Physical properties. Extremely important. Why I am talking about this one, you can see. Either alkanes or alkenes or alkynes. Entire homologous series, they have a what? Same chemical properties. Chemical properties are remains what? Same. But physical properties are not same. Do you understand, everybody? Hari? Very, very important point. You can see that. This is what it is. As the molecular mass increased in any homologous series, how many units it will increases from one to next one? How many units it will increase? Everybody, 14U, 14U, 14U. It is increasing. Keep on. If you are going down, either it is alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, everywhere it will be increased by how much? Everybody. Yes, please. 14U. Understanding from one compound to another compound. You can see homologous series, a gradation in physical properties is seen. What do you mean by gradation? Anybody? What do you mean by gradation? Yes, please. What is the meaning of gradation? Increasing. Okay. Unless you read this paragraph, nobody can answer that question, which is asked in 3 years before in the board exam. You understand what I'm saying, everybody? Gradation means if you take the methane, CH4, next compound is what, guys? Methane after. Methane after. Methane after compound. Ah,
C2H6.
what is the name? Methane after.
Ethane.
Ethane after. Propane.
Propane.
Understanding? Listen, everybody. Methane, ethane, propane. Chemical properties are same, but physical properties. Melting point is not same. Boiling point is not same. Understanding? Melting point is not equal. Boiling point is not equal. These all the things are not equal for these compounds. Do you understand, everybody? So if you keep on going down, melting point increases. Boiling point also increases if it is a solid, but basically they won't be in a solid state. But I'm saying you entirely, including density. Density is also one of the physical properties. You can notice it. Everything will be keep on increases. Do you understand, everybody? Please respond, all of you. Next, solubility also. Solubility changes. Everything will be changes when if you are keep on going down. Do you understand, Mitakshri? Because the melting and boiling points increases with increasing what? Increases with increasing what? Hariseras? Molecular mass. Understand? Please, guys, respond. Very important. Molecular mass increases. What will increase? Boiling point also increase and melting point also increases. Next, other physical properties. What is that? Solubility in a particular solvent also shows similar gradation. So that is also very important. So there is a solubility also changes when the molecular mass is increasing. Gradation again increasing only. So we can see that variation in physical properties, but chemical properties are same. What is that? See here. But the chemical properties which are determined solely by the functional group remain similar in a homologous series. Homologous series, just I am giving you 3 examples now. Many examples will come in further. By the time we learn it after writing the functional group. So this is an extremely important point and paragraph regarding homologous series. Most important one. Chemical properties are same, but physical properties, molecular mass increases. Definitely there is a gradation in physical properties. Do you all understand, everybody? What is the examples of physical properties? Anyone? What are the examples of physical properties? Melting point, boiling point, and solubility. Solubility in where? Solubility in a particular solvent. Do you understand, everyone? So that is what is about homologous series. So please learn homologous series, extremely important. Very important concept. Then once this homologous series over, every alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes, at least you should learn minimum 4 compounds. Then there is a properties of hydrocarbons homologous series. That properties alone, totally 5 points is there. All the 5 points I will teach you. I will send you in the group. Immediately all should write that 5 points in the classwork, and then only you can do some further work. Okay. So now please work it. Anyhow, whatever the pending works, try to spend time now. Don't sleep and come by sharply 10 o'clock. And then tomorrow we are going to start the most important concept, that is what we used to say, functional groups. So if functional groups is over, almost 70% of this chapter is completed. Then we will go with the remaining concept. We'll try to finish this functional group mostly by within, at least I'm expecting by tomorrow, and by at least 2-3 days we'll finish it. Okay, guys, everybody. So very important functional groups. This is most important for board exam. Okay, we'll start in tomorrow's class. Now your duty is that, as I said, I will send the properties of homologous series. I hope you all understand homologous series, everybody. Please respond. Clear, everyone? Yes, all of you. So except functional group, up to here, everybody has to complete the NCERT. So almost 10 pages, finish it. Then we'll go with the functional groups, and then we'll go with the chemical properties. Functional groups over, 50% chapter is over, then chemical properties will start. Okay. Thank you, everybody. We'll meet by 10 o'clock.